I want to give you a deep dive into how I was able to make $108 this week trading options in the stock market. Currently, I work a full-time job and only really trade over my breaks and over my lunch period. So an extra $100 is really good money for very little work. In this video, I want to start by going over some news that affected the market last week. Then I'll show you all the trades that I put on and took off over the last week. And then finally go over some upcoming news and how I predict the market will move over the next week. Guess who's back? That's right, it's Hertz. After coming back from bankruptcy protection, the rental car company is back on the market and has been for the past few months. The company is now looking to issue a re-IPO in an equity offering to existing shareholders. In the past month, we have seen the stock run up from $16 to $27 in what could be another short squeeze stock. A week ago, I put a video out about my predictions for Alibaba stock, and it is starting to show strength. On Tuesday, the Amazon of China announced the production of its very own processor chip. Alibaba does not plan to sell the chip, but instead looks to use the chip in its own servers to boost its overall cloud computing. Right now, cloud services only account for 8% of Alibaba's business, but with huge future growth, Baba is looking to compete with companies such as Amazon and Microsoft to become the #1 player in cloud. It has been a long time coming, but the first Bitcoin ETF began trading publicly on Wednesday. The ETF trades under the symbol BITO and had a rough first couple of days as the stock shrank from a high of $44 on Wednesday to a low of $39 by Friday. However, Bitcoin prices spiked on the news and broke previous highs to reach a value of $67,000 on the release of the ETF. Tesla had earnings after market close on Wednesday, and the results were better than expected. Despite semiconductor shortages across the globe, the EV manufacturer reported revenue up 15% year over year and earnings per share 17% higher than analysts' expectations. The stock reacted positively as it opened up at $855 and proceeded to rally up to $900 and continued its run through Friday close. Friday, we saw the next GME and AMC take off, and it goes by the symbol DWAC. The stock traded under $10 Wednesday, but by Friday morning, the stock was over $130. This spike came on the news that the company is looking to merge with Trump Media and Technology and the rollout of their very new social media platform, Truth Social. Overall, the market had a great week and was up a little over 2% as earnings season kicked off on a very positive note. However, with that, we've seen IV crash from just under 18 on Monday to below 15 by Friday. I mainly focus on two strategies, the first being running the wheel on individual stocks, and the second being selling put spreads on SPY. This week I was able to make a total of 6 trades, 4 of them being on SPY, 1 on RKT, which is Rocket Mortgage, and another one on Palantir, which is symbol PLTR. Monday, I sold a put spread on SPY for $23 at a strike of 405 and 400 expiring November 26th. Tuesday, I bought back a spread for $3 at a strike of 375 and 380 expiring November 12th. I also sold one covered call on RKT for $21 at a strike of 1750 expiring October 29th. Wednesday, I sold a put on Palantir for $20 at a strike of $23 expiring October 29th. Thursday, I sold a put spread on SPY for $25 at strikes of 410 and 405 expiring December 3rd. Friday, I sold a put spread on SPY for $22 at strikes of 395 and 390 expiring December 17th. In total, our gross income for the week was $108 with a net of $103.40 after trading fees. That puts us at $234.92 for premium collected in the month of October. So what do I think will happen over the next week? On Thursday last week, Snap reported and missed revenue targets. Monday, Facebook reports, and if Facebook follows this trend, we could see a large effect on the overall market as Facebook has a much larger market cap. Tuesday, we have Microsoft, Google, and UPS earnings. Microsoft and Google will set the overall tone for the S&P 500 for the remainder of the week. However, UPS will provide insight on what we might see from retailers over the Christmas months, as shipping delays could affect a lot of businesses. Thursday, Apple and Amazon will provide earnings, but by this point, I believe that we will have a good idea of where the market is headed over the next few weeks. Overall, I think we will see the market continue to trend upward. However, I will likely wait until Wednesday before putting trades on to see how the market reacts to Microsoft and Google's earnings. The only potential for downside pressure is how outlook around the Christmas season will be presented as global shortages and delays continue. If you liked the video, drop a like below, and if you want to catch a video like this every week, hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.